Alright, I started.
Alright, this is the service elevator. Press the down floor. This is the service elevator at the Hilton Hotel in College Station. Would you close that door because I don't want to get a copyright notification.
Oh yeah, there's music playing. Yeah.
Big thanks to the nice employee for getting us on this elevator. It should be coming up. It just went down. That's man, that's quieter now. I won't have to worry about copyright.
There we go. Yeah.
We'll take a quick trip
Oh,
on
wow.
this one.
Pretty interesting in here.
I'll press the button.
Okay. Let's.
Oh, we're gonna go up to 11. Alright, let's close the door. Door close button does not work on this one. Please remember, this is being done with the proper escort. Never be in areas that you are not allowed in. I wonder if this is a relay logic. Alright, let's go. We'll go down the B and we'll ride the low-rise service elevator.
Oh, cool view from out there.
Oh, you want to see it?
Yeah, there's a window and you can see a view, but there are a lot
wow.
of stuff there.
Yeah.
My camera won't focus. There it focuses now. See, look, a lot
That's
of
cool.
construction going on.
So okay, if I stand on this side.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so I
We'll
can,
get our cab views now. Very 1980s. We got James,
Yeah, there's James.
Annie,
Hi.
and a staff member of
Larry.
Hilton. Your fixtures. You know the elevator down in that end? We'll go check that one out. I'm going to stop the camera as soon as I watch the door close. That's what I do after I finish filming.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Travels 350 feet per minute. Man, did you feel that hard stop?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that button is cracked. Look at that.
I'm gonna watch these doors close.
Watch out, please. Instant picture. There it goes.
And that's it.